Commentary Jaga Sarkar Jila ba AL Hakine kasi thodi ang apen merapat ba yak professional designated driver services PDDS pelapen ya du ba don bok doling panai jing kerja ni kipat ba nongleit nongwan kamtam ban chakri ki balaj bawan ha ki jaka pakham jangai yakani ba AL hak lapen merapat ba Shillong Press Club ha bakran kani kasi ka pratre unai lu aja apulai nakaliang ba don bok ulong ba yakani ka professional designated driver services apen ngoru dakatnat kulen bar ki boss in charge of district khanang bagi nonya kali kini thu but khanang bagi nongleit nongwan kilong ki basngan
good friend of mine and also a brother to me and also services today is a big industry. Everybody are looking for any kind of services. If we talk about this kind of services, the driver, we have seen that we are facing a lot of congestions in Shillong and we have no parking space, number one. Those are the self-driving individual driver. If they go with a family, when they go with the friends, where they will park the vehicle, because there is no specific identified parking space in around the city. It's a very, very difficult, but this idea, I'm telling you, going to help tremendously, is going to help to everyone. This kind of services. It's a unique idea, I'd like to tell you. Today, if we talk about, for example, so many people are going out for the party, they are going out for dinner, they are going out for anniversary, they are going out for birthday, so many, so on and so forth. Many they want to go without driving their own vehicle because we don't know the night when they are coming back. There's so many traffic on the way, so they want to be free. If we have this kind of facilities, this kind of services, they just call. What here, unfortunately, I don't see any free call numbers where they can call you by Dunlop.
Yeah, there is a number. Specific.
You have to give, right? Because launching today, we have to see also that today only we are launching this very, very designated driver Shillong, very innovative scheme with complete call-free number, free call numbers. If you have, then you can give me that I can announce also at the same time.
It's not a toll-free number.
The launch also at the same time.
Right.
So this kind of services which I told you regarding the people are going for different program, especially at the night time. They don't want to go for driving. They want to be free when they take with the family for any anniversary party out within the Shillong or outskirts of Shillong. They want to be free by themselves. They will just go sit in the car. Driver is already there, designated driver, which is identified and secured with the confirmations of the administration, the confirmation of the police. Everybody has to be secured. The driver has to be secured, the car has to be secured, those who are going to take the car also has to be secured. So this is, I'm telling you, the services is one of the big industries today. It's creating employment. I'm thanking you to you, Badanbab. You are creating innovative, not only an innovative idea, but you are creating employment for so many unemployment drivers, those who are around the city. There's no employment for them. I'm sitting in my office, in the home, in my office as secretariat. I've seen so many people are coming for job. There is very, very difficult to give job for everybody. No government can give job to anybody. We need this kind of people. We need this kind of our friend Madanbab to creating the innovative idea to create more job, more facilities to more that people can at least get their security. So therefore today we are very happy to launch this designated driver in Shillong. Will be benefit immensely, will be benefit for all the people, not only those who are residing in Shillong but also for the people not in Shillong. They can call anytime. They can call in this number 923341541. This is the number they can call anytime. For this kind of services will be providing to all who are required and those who are needed. So thank you very much. Today I'm very happy. I'm in the Shillong Press Club, but I'm briefing for beautiful, innovative projects which I really like it.
Suppose a client calls, the number will get through to my service coordinator, and the service coordinator will obviously ask for some details. like the ID of the person, the driving license of the person, and the registration of their vehicle to be WhatsApp across. And because everything has to be verified also, so everyone has got to be safe, including my drivers too. So these two documents will be asked for to be WhatsApp, and in the meantime, the service coordinator will get through to my team of drivers, just like they do with Rapido. But since we are still in the process of developing an app for designated driver Shillong, we still have to continue with this call-based service. So to get through to the service coordinator gets through to the team of drivers, and whoever takes that call notifies the service coordinator. Service coordinator in turn calls back the client and informs the client that we have a driver ready for you, he's coming over. Right, and the payment has to be made online then, because once the driver is dispatched, it amounts to an execution of the service request, right? And the client would be liable for full payment of the fees. So they are there at the moment. I have to thank client for that, because I learned quite a number of things from there during this training session that they're conducting. They're still conducting training session, and I'm missing today's also.
How much do you charge per kilometer?
It's not per kilometer. It's like see, at the moment the introductory rate is 600 rupees for 8 kilometers right now. That is within town limits only. This is the introductory rate. But beyond 8 kilometers, it's going to be like every extra kilometer charge. But at the moment, again, the service is restricted to within Shillong city
Do you
limits.
think this is affordable to all the public?
It would be. So suppose I get drunk. I drive my car and dashes against a wall. I have to pay for my car for the wall. It's going to cost beyond that. If I dash against another car, I have to pay for that car, for my own car, and I have to pay a fine to the police. It's going to be more than 600, more than 6,000.
So starting with like